Hello from Mangley Town, and we have another Class 43 unboxing. This time it's the Virgin Class 43 HST pack, and again it's another sound one. It's the Hornby R3390TTS. So we'll have a look at this livery. Again, it's one of the ones I like because it's a nice, crisp and bright livery. And power car is 43311. Just like the way they carry on the little bit of yellow detail around it as well. And this is one of the ones where they've only done a few of the coaches, but the other red and white set, the LNER set that's newly out, apparently there's no real difference between the coaches at all, and they're doing more coaches than you need for one set on an LNER set, so I'll buy the extra couple of coaches that I need to make this set up to a full rake. And then we have the dummy car, which is 43314. And yep, opening doors again. So yeah, one of the cool liveries. It'll be nice to get all my Virgin livery ones out on the layout at the same time. So I'll do a running session with those at some stage in the future, and I'll see you soon. Thank you very much.